In this short tutorial, we'll take a look at how to incorporate handling and processing fees into your order pricing. These fees come in 3 different forms, which we'll explain here, and are easy to configure on a storefront by storefront basis. So firstly, we're going to go to our order settings screen just to begin configuring these. And then navigate all the way down to our processing and handling fee section. So if these values in here are all set to 0, which they are by default, references to the processing and handling fee will not be seen in the front end or within the admin-based sales screens. However, if you do want to utilize these particular fees here, there are 3 separate fees available. One is the order processing fee. So this applies 1 fee to an entire order. Every order will have this additional fee. The job handling fee. So this is an additional fee applied to every line in the basket. And then we have the product handling fee. So an additional fee applied to each different product within the basket. So for example, if we have the same product in the basket twice with different attribute selections, only 1 additional fee will then be applied. So make sure you enter some values in here if you want to utilize them, and then go ahead and save that page. Next, I'm going to navigate to my tax settings. And then scroll all the way down to handling and processing fee. So additional settings are available in here, allowing you to define whether these additional fees are taxable or not. So you just need to simply configure the required drop-downs, select the tax categories you want to utilize, and then save. Once those have been applied, let's have a look at how they look in our front end and how they're utilized. So I'm just going to navigate to the front end of my storefront and just add a few different products to my basket. So going to my basket screen, once I've added a few different products to it, the breakdown of our order that we can see over on the right-hand side is including those new fees. So here we can confirm how those are being applied. So our basket in this case has 4 different order lines. However, 2 of those order lines are the same product that we can see here with different attribute value selections. So as a result, we have a one-time inclusion of an order processing fee, which is applied to the entire order. We have 4 instances of a job handling fee, which is counting the number of order lines. And we have 3 instances of a product handling fee, because this is looking at how many different products there are in our basket. I'm just then going to proceed through the checkout, and we'll have a look at where else we can see this information. So some examples of where we can see this resulting information are in the customer's My Orders screen. So this is customer facing, of course. I take additional look at that particular order. We'll see we have a breakdown of costs, including those additional fees. Now, from the admin perspective, we can also see those bits of information inside the admin-facing sales screen as well. So if I go to the admin area, go to sales and orders, and take a look at one of those orders that I've just placed, we can see in here that we have a breakdown of those fees included in our orders as well.